Hello, my name is Tyler Rockwood. I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to install noHuddle Remote. First of all, you want to go to our website, noHuddle.app, head to our Downloads section. From there, you'll be able to install our iOS app or our Android app to your device. Once you've installed the app, you're also going to want to install it to Chrome, and you can see up here is our Chrome extension. Here's our app. Once you've got the app downloaded, you're going to head and create an account. Once you've put in your email, typed out your password, you're going to go ahead and create the account. Once it's created, you're going to see that you have no devices. So in order to have a device show up, you need to go to the Chrome extension and sign in with that account you just created. Once you log in, you get an auto-generated name. You'll see it'll show up on your device list. We're going to rename it here to Home Laptop. Save it. Now you can see the device is there, but it's not online. So to get the device online, we need to go to one of our compatible film sites, such as Huddle or YouTube. From there, we can see the device lights up and that it's online. We'll click on it to connect, and now we can watch film. Thanks for watching our quick video on how to install noHuddle Remote.